Number 1. Venom Wheel Lift Stands. Venom Sport Bike Dual Rear Spool and Front Fork Wheel Lift Stand. Completely lift your whole bike, perfect for home or shop repairs. Professionally designed and full adjustable to fit most sport bikes. Material: high-grade steel. Number 2. Safstar Motorcycle Stand. Great for tire removal, changes, maintenance and cleaning. Professionally designed and full adjustable to fit most sport bikes, motorcycles. Completely lift your whole bike, perfect for home or shop repairs. Durable, welded construction, with 4 wheels for stability. High gloss, black powder coat finish. Number 3. Motorcycle Lift Stand. Venom Motorcycle Triple Tree Head Lift Front Wheel Lift Stand Combo. Completely lift your bike's front wheel, perfect for home or shop repairs. Professionally designed and includes 5 triple tree pins to fit most sport bikes. Material: high-grade steel. Number 4. Moto D Swingarm Stands. Moto D Race Aluminum Sport Bike Motorcycle Stands, 1/pair, with articulating front rollers. Features soft lifting/rolling rubber inline wheels. You will love lifting the bike. Fits all modern sport bikes with rear swingarm spools, not included. Honda CBR, Kawasaki ZX, Suzuki GSX-R, Yamaha R6, Yamaha R1, Triumph 675 per Ramure. Paddock tough, stable, lightweight, 1-year limited USA warranty. Number 5. Motorcycle Stand Lift. Fully adjustable design allows you to adjust the stand to suit most sports bike. Completely lifts your bike's front or rear wheel. Ideal for home or shop repairs with wheels for simple mobility, foldable for easy storage. Durable and premium quality steel, easy installation with instructions included. Supports up to 400 pounds. Front stand handle, supports tires up to 10 inches wide, and rear stand handle, supports tires up to 15 inches wide. 2 support arms, bolts, nuts and washers. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to know more, check out review list below in description. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.